Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my simple cookies and cream frosting for decorating my cookies and cream cakes or vanilla cakes. That usually cakes I use it for. Okay, so you're going to be needing 200 grams of heavy whipping cream, and then some salt, and then 100 grams of icing sugar. Okay, so for cake decorators, you need some frostings or some frosting recipes that are very easy to whip up, so like that way it makes your life a lot easier. And for me, this is one of them because it takes me at least 5 minutes to whip it up, and it is delicious. I'm not even kidding you guys. It is very easy and it is very delicious. And the amazing thing with this recipe is that it took me a while to perfect it for it to be pipeable. Like when you're trying to pipe cookies and cream frosting, the cookies kind of get stuck in the tip of your piping tip. So this one is not like that. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so what you want to do is whip your cream to like a consistency where it's just a little bit thick. It's not really whipped yet. So you're going to like put that aside, and then we are going to mash our cookies. Okay, so for 200 grams of heavy whipping cream, I used just 2 Oreos. Guess who ate the remaining Oreos though? Okay, so it won't be too much. So I use just 2 Oreos. So you want to crush it as much as possible. Use something heavy and just heat it and crush it as much as possible so you can show like it is in pieces, because you're not going to sieve this. That way when you crush it really well, it will like break it into tiny pieces. And when you whip it now, like when you add it to your whipping cream and now whip it, it makes it even softer. Like it softens the harder part and breaks up the bigger part, so it's easy for you to pipe. Okay, so at this point we're just going to like keep whipping it until it gets to the consistency we want, and then we are going to stop. It is very easy. This is the easiest frosting in the world. It takes me basically like 3 to 5 minutes. Sorry guys, I'm always cleaning because I'm obsessed with a clean space. Okay, so that's all you have to do guys, and it is delicious. I'm not even kidding. Okay, now see how smooth and creamy it is and doesn't have too much of those cookies. So it is perfect and beautiful. So now I'm going to put in the piping bag and pipe for you guys to see how well it pipes and how the cookies do not get stuck in the tip of the piping tip. I don't know if that English I just spoke makes sense now. Okay, so we're going to put some in our piping tip, and then we are going to pipe it. This amount of frosting can frost you 12 cupcakes. I was actually making this for cupcake set. So now see how well it pipes. Yep.